Hello, I'm Aaron Chow, and today I'll show you how to use a soda bottle to make a bird feeder. I found a milkshake lid which serves perfectly as an umbrella cover to prevent water from going inside. Next, I'm going to drill some holes around the bottle. Okay, it's time to drill holes now. Make sure to be very careful about your hand. I'm using this Super Duty glue to mount the base. It's time to spread the glue. Now to put the base on, press it down to make it tight. So this bird feeder is full of natural and recycled materials from the milkshake lid, the soda bottles, the seashells, and the chocolate box cover. Doing this is a great way to reduce, reuse, and recycle our materials, and it's also helpful to the birds and our environment.